These foods are secretly slowing down your fat burn, and chances are you've been eating them for years without knowing. In today's video, we're exposing the 12 worst foods that quietly slow down your metabolism, even the ones that claim to be healthy. If you've been eating clean, exercising, and still struggling to burn fat, these hidden metabolism killers could be the reason why. Stay tuned till the end, because I'll also show you what to eat instead to reactivate your fat-burning engine naturally. Let's get started. Number 1. Sugary drinks. Let's start with the biggest metabolism killer: sugar-sweetened drinks. Whether it's soda, energy drinks, or even those so-called 100% natural fruit juices, these liquid calories are your metabolism's worst nightmare. Your body can't recognize liquid sugar the same way it does solid food, meaning it spikes your blood sugar fast, floods your system with insulin, and signals your body to store fat instead of burning it. Now here's the sneaky part. Fruit juice, even freshly squeezed, can contain as much sugar as soda. One glass of orange juice can pack up to 25 grams of sugar. That's more than 6 teaspoons. When your body is constantly spiking insulin, your metabolism slows down to protect you from energy overload. It's like your body putting the brakes on fat burning because it's drowning in glucose. And don't fall for the zero-calorie versions either. Artificial sweeteners confuse your metabolism too. Studies show that they can actually increase cravings and slow down your natural metabolic rate. If you love flavored drinks, go for water with lemon, cucumber, or mint. It hydrates you and keeps your metabolism humming. Number 2. Breakfast cereals. Let's talk about one of the biggest morning metabolism traps: breakfast cereals. Most cereals, even the ones labeled whole grain or fortified with vitamins, are loaded with sugar and refined carbs. They give you a quick burst of energy and then a mid-morning crash that leaves your metabolism confused and your hunger hormones out of control. Some cereals have more sugar than a dessert. That spike in blood sugar first thing in the morning tells your body to store energy instead of burning it. Plus, those processed grains digest so fast that you're hungry again within an hour, leading you to snack more and slow your metabolism even further. If you truly want to kickstart your metabolism in the morning, ditch the sugary flakes and go for high-protein, high-fiber options. Eggs, Greek yogurt, chia pudding, or oatmeal topped with nuts and berries will keep you full, stabilize your blood sugar, and keep that metabolic fire burning all day long. Number 3. White bread and refined carbs. Refined carbs like white bread, white rice, and pasta are digested so fast that they cause your blood sugar to spike and crash like a roller coaster. The worst part? These foods lack fiber, the thing that keeps your digestion steady and metabolism active. Fiber is like your metabolism's best friend. It slows down digestion just enough to keep your blood sugar balanced. But when you strip away that fiber, your body burns through the carbs too quickly, then panics and stores the rest as fat. Studies show that diets high in refined carbs can lower your resting metabolic rate over time. So, swap that white bread for whole grains, quinoa, or oats, foods that fuel your metabolism instead of draining it. Number 4. Processed vegetable oils. Here's something few people talk about: vegetable oils. They sound healthy because they come from vegetables, right? But these heavily refined oils are full of omega-6 fatty acids, which, when eaten in excess, cause inflammation, the silent killer of your metabolism. When your body is inflamed, your thyroid, which controls metabolism, doesn't work properly. Inflammation makes it harder for your cells to use energy efficiently. And the scary truth? These oils are in almost everything. Salad dressings, chips, margarine, even healthy protein bars. Instead, switch to metabolism-friendly fats like olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil. They're rich in antioxidants and healthy fats that support thyroid function, balance hormones, and help your body burn calories efficiently. Number 5. Margarine and low-fat spreads. This one's sneaky. Margarine was once promoted as a healthy alternative to butter. But most margarine and light spreads are full of trans fats, the worst kind of fat for your metabolism. Trans fats damage your cells, increase inflammation, and make it harder for your body to use insulin properly, meaning you store fat instead of burning it. Your body needs healthy fats to function. When you deprive it and replace them with fake processed oils, your metabolism slows down to protect itself. Trans fats also harm your mitochondria, the tiny engines inside your cells responsible for burning calories. To fix that, go back to natural sources of fat. Use real butter in moderation, or even better, try avocado, olive oil, or nut butter. These fats help your hormones stay balanced, and when your hormones are happy, your metabolism is too. Number 6. Low-calorie diet foods. This one surprises a lot of people. Low-calorie diet foods can actually wreck your metabolism. When you consistently undereat or rely on light snacks, your body thinks it's in danger of starving. In survival mode, it slows your metabolism to conserve energy, making weight loss nearly impossible. Diet foods are also usually packed with artificial ingredients and sweeteners that confuse your hunger hormones. Ever notice how after eating a 100-calorie snack pack, you're still hungry 10 minutes later? That's because your body isn't fooled. It's craving real nutrition, not chemicals. Instead of focusing on calories, focus on quality. Eat real whole foods, vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Your metabolism runs on nutrients, not numbers. When it's nourished properly, it naturally speeds up and burns more energy even at rest. Number 7. Granola bars and protein bars. Most granola and protein bars are basically candy bars in disguise. They're often loaded with sugar, corn syrup, and cheap vegetable oils, all of which send your insulin skyrocketing and put your metabolism to sleep. Even the high-protein ones can be misleading. Many use low-quality protein isolates or artificial sweeteners that mess up your gut microbiome, and your gut health is directly linked to how fast your metabolism runs. When your gut bacteria are out of balance, your body absorbs nutrients less efficiently, burns fewer calories, and craves more sugar. It's a vicious cycle that keeps your metabolism in slow motion. If you need a quick snack, make your own bars using oats, nuts, seeds, and a touch of honey. Or grab something truly whole, like a handful of almonds or a banana with peanut butter. Your metabolism thrives on real ingredients, not fake fitness marketing. Number 8. Flavored yogurts and frozen yogurt. Frozen yogurt might sound like a lighter option than ice cream, but here's the catch. It's usually packed with sugar and additives. Even plain low-fat yogurts can have as much sugar as a dessert. And when you strip the fat from yogurt, the manufacturers add sugar or artificial sweeteners to make up for the flavor, exactly what slows your metabolism down. Your body needs healthy fats to regulate hunger and hormone production. When you eat fat-free foods, you're tricking your body into thinking it's getting nourishment when it's not. That confusion leads to more cravings, less satiety, and slower fat burning. If you love yogurt, go for plain Greek yogurt instead. It's rich in protein, calcium, and probiotics, all of which help your metabolism run efficiently. Add real fruit or cinnamon for sweetness and skip the sugar bomb that comes with flavored versions. Number 9. Processed meats. Now, who doesn't love crispy bacon in the morning? But here's the dark side. Processed meats like bacon, sausages, and hot dogs are loaded with sodium, preservatives, and unhealthy fats that make your metabolism sluggish. They cause inflammation, mess with your hormones, and even trigger insulin resistance, all things that put your body in fat storage mode. The high sodium content also causes water retention, making you feel bloated and heavy. Worse, nitrates and chemical additives in these meats can interfere with thyroid hormones, slowing down the rate at which your body burns energy. And if you're eating these regularly, your metabolism never really gets a chance to speed up. Go for lean, unprocessed proteins like chicken, fish, turkey, or plant-based options like lentils and beans. Protein naturally boosts metabolism through something called the thermic effect of food, meaning your body burns more calories digesting it. So, swap the hot dogs for grilled chicken, and your metabolism will thank you. Number 10. Fast food and fried foods. Burgers, fries, fried chicken. They're the perfect storm for metabolic disaster. Loaded with trans fats, refined carbs, sodium, and additives, these meals put your body into an inflammatory tailspin. Trans fats are especially dangerous. They increase bad cholesterol, cause insulin resistance, and slow your metabolism long after you've eaten. They also interfere with your gut health. And remember, your gut plays a massive role in regulating your metabolism. An unhealthy gut means fewer good bacteria, less nutrient absorption, and slower fat burning. And here's the crazy part. Studies show that even one meal of fried fast food can reduce your body's ability to process sugar for hours. That means your metabolism is literally struggling from breakfast till bedtime after a single cheat meal. If you're craving something crispy, try baking instead of frying. Or use an air fryer for that satisfying crunch without the metabolic damage. Number 11. Frozen ready meals and microwave dinners. Frozen ready meals are often packed with sodium, preservatives, and cheap refined oils that completely stall your metabolism. They might save you time, but they cost your body energy in the long run. These meals are usually low in protein, high in carbs, and severely lacking in nutrients. That combo leads to unstable blood sugar and fatigue, two of the biggest metabolism killers. And the high sodium content makes you retain water, leaving you feeling puffy, sluggish, and bloated. Cooking your own meals, even simple ones, makes a massive difference. You control the ingredients, portion size, and nutrients. And when your meals are fresh and balanced, your metabolism works at full speed instead of trying to survive on processed fuel. Number 12. Coffee creamers and sweetened lattes. Here's one most people never think about: your morning coffee. Coffee itself actually boosts metabolism, but once you add flavored creamers, syrups, or whipped toppings, you've turned it into a sugar-loaded dessert in a cup. Those extra calories combined with artificial ingredients and trans fats completely cancel out coffee's natural fat-burning benefits. What's worse, these creamers and syrups can spike your blood sugar, then cause an energy crash, leaving you tired and craving more sugar or carbs. That roller coaster keeps your metabolism off balance all day long. Even these sugar-free versions contain chemicals that can mess with your gut and hormones. Keep your coffee clean. Use a splash of unsweetened almond milk or add cinnamon for flavor. Both can actually help stabilize blood sugar. This way, you get all the metabolism-boosting benefits of coffee without sabotaging it with a sugary add-on. Subscribe now for more daily healthy tips.